Hello everyone, welcome to our channel TECHWORSH. Welcome to the series of learning 30 AI tools in 30 days. Today I am going to show you how to use Gamma AI. It is an amazing tool for creating beautiful presentations. If you are looking to save time and create professional content effortlessly, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Let's start. To use Gamma AI, first we have to open our web browser. For now, I am taking Chrome as my web browser. It's better to use Chrome browser because it supports more efficient. In my Chrome browser, then search for Gamma AI. Now you can see there is a website called gamma.app. Click on open then. After this homepage appears of Gamma AI, sign up for free. If you already have an account, put your email here and sign in. If you don't have one, create one. Here I am using my email ID to log in into the gamma.ai. Select the answers appropriate to the questions. Select the create presentations from scratch. Finally, your account will be created. Select the option generate to open PPT generator. Then select the presentation tab and select the number of cards you want to generate. Cards means slides. And here describe your topic. After giving prompt to the AI, click on generate outline. Here you can see number of slides having its own headings that the slides contain its own data or content. If you want any additional slides, you can just tap on the add card and add the information. Then coming down, you have theme section where you have to select the theme for your presentation. Then you can also select these type source of the images. For example, AI images, stock photos or automatic. For now I am using AI images, and you can also select the AI models. For today I am using FluxForce AI model. After all the selection done, click on generate. Here where the magic happens. The all content about the generative AI will be created within short time. After AI will create your PPT, you can also edit the themes by choosing option themes here. From here you can select the your themes as like your, and you can also present from here directly by choosing full screen mode. By clicking on arrows, you can switch to tab to tab. If you want to exit from full screen, press on escape. You have multiple options. For example, card templates. You can change the template of the card from here, and layers of the your slides. and blocks, and you can also change the images. You can add videos and audios, and you can add embedded apps, for example, Instagram, Figma, to the slides, and you can also charts from here. If you want to download this or share this to your friends or any others, then use the option share in the above. From here, you can export this and you can save this as export to PDF or export to PowerPoint or export to PNGs. Here I am using exporting to a PDF. Here you can see my PPT was downloaded successfully. Now if you want to open, go to File Explorer and download and select your PPT and open it. Here you can see my PPT has successfully created by using Gamma AI. So this is how you can create PPT by using AI in a fraction of seconds. Thank you for watching. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Gamma AI to create stunning presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share to your friends and subscribe to TECHWORSH channel. For more great content, see you next time.